today we are making fresh homemade taco seasoning. Tastes better than the store-bought. Very easy. 2 tablespoons equals 1 packet of store-bought taco seasoning. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making taco seasoning. This is a super simple recipe to make fresh homemade taco seasoning. Tastes better than the store-bought. Doesn't have any preservatives, additives that you don't want. Very easy. The ingredients in this recipe are chili powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, paprika, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, kosher salt, and ground black pepper. And I like to buy my spices in bulk. Usually some of the stores you go to, they have a bulk section. You can buy just the amount you need, and then I just fill up my jars with funnel. Or you can use a paper towel, just make it in a funnel shape, pour it in, and then throw away the paper towel. So easy. So I bought these and I haven't filled my jars yet, so I just thought I'll just use the bags. It's just as easy. So I like to make my seasoning. I'm just going to mix it in the same bowl that I'm going to store it in. And let's start. We have 4 tablespoons of chili powder, okay, and we have 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, and 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, depending on how hot you want it. I have an 1/8 of teaspoon. I think I'll do a heaping 1/8. Then we have 2 teaspoons of paprika, one teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. You could also use sea salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. I usually use fresh ground, but to measure 1 teaspoon it will take a long time, so I'm going to use the already ground pepper. So there you have it. We're just going to mix the ingredients together. Okay, here you go. So if you use a lot of taco seasoning, you could double this recipe. If you don't use a lot, make sure to put the date on your container so you know how old it is. So I just wrote on a pre-made label, taco seasoning, and it's ready to go. 2 tablespoons equals 1 packet of store-bought taco seasoning. Hope you try it soon, and I'll see you in the next lesson.